because I don't want to.
What's going on here, Illy? You up, Moo? At the half eye. Alright guys, so tell them what flavors are her best flavors. They want to know. They want to know what's working.
Wait a minute.
What's working? No, wait a minute. No.
The only thing we're getting from here is
mango.
Peas.
Peas? Tell them why. That's so good. Tell them why that's the only thing you get from peas.
Because I don't like making peas at home.
Oh, yeah. Well, she don't like making them. Because they're already deshelled. That's why we're getting peas.
I like to get her snacks over here.
Like to get her snacks?
Here's some mango. Apples and blueberries.
Okay. Don't go snack crazy. What do you got? She's going snack crazy. She always does this.
Here's the mangoes and apples and blueberries. As well, here's the mangoes again. She loves this thing.
Yeah, that daddy made her try and she loves this one now. Yeah, that's what she loves.
So this.
Oh.
These are my baby snacks.
Those are snack time.
This is how we save a lot of money on our baby's food, and it's all organic. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make this at home and you save tons of money. So first, you wash them and you take these little stickers off, of course. Oh man, you know what? We could just cut that little chunk.
Without cutting your hand.
There you go. Then you cut the ends. And this is very healthy, especially if you're trying to get your baby to gain weight. Make sure you guys buy this. This is chayote, but here they call it squash or something like that. But I'll post the link on the video. And this we're just gonna do. This you don't really have to peel. You can just cut it like that, put it in the pan. I'm gonna just do 1/2. Squash, I like to do somewhat of a half. The carrots as well, just cut the ends. Now this, I like to peel this. I don't like the little shell.
What is it?
It's a sweet potato.
What's that you're using?
My little peeler.
Where'd you get it?
I'll put the link on our video. I'm just gonna cut this. Alright guys, and for the water, there's really not a measurement you're supposed to do. So you could just fill it up until all the little vegetables are all covered up. And that's fine. See, as you can tell, my little vegetables are all covered up. You don't really need to measure this. But that's how I do my baby's food. Alright guys, so now what you guys want to do is just go ahead and turn on your stove. Very slow. I like to cook it at number 3. I want towards the middle. And then just put a top on. Alright guys, so the way to test this out is I like to grab a little knife and just poke it. And if it goes right in there easy, that means it's ready. I don't like to leave it there for a little while because I like to have the little hardness to it. And I use my baby bullet I love this thing. This thing works amazing. It's gonna be your best friend. So I grabbed some sweet potatoes, some chayote, some carrots for sure. Let's put more sweet potato because baby loves her sweet potatoes. Then what I like to do is that I use the same water and I just put a little bit just so it could blend easily. I like to use the water because you want to have all the good stuff in there. You don't want to throw those away. So what you do now is just go ahead and blend it. Alright, so after it's blend, you got yourself some baby food, and that's how you save a lot of money. Also, I love these little containers. You could just storage your little food in there. And then you just close it up. And as you guys could tell, oh well, I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but it has little numbers, so you guys can actually put the date or select the date. What day are we today, baby?
The 10th.
The 10th. You go all the way to the 10th, and we pass it right here. So the 10th. Now you just storage this in your little fridge, and boom, there you have it.